Jane is a 32-year-old female that always tries to have a positive view of her life, even if things don't always go according to her plans. Jane is hardworking and is especially excited for today, where she'll be promoted and wants to look her best. Trying to stay positive with the unforeseen obstacles, she realizes time is important to her. She needs someone reliable to take care of fixing her home while she goes to work. Within a few steps, Jane can get a reliable tradesman in her area to do just that. Luckily, Jane knows Honest Abe, and she can find a reliable tradesman. Jane can now focus solely on work, knowing her needs are taken care of at home. With Honest Abe, you know you can find a reliable tradesman to get the job done. So why not use Honest Abe today? It worked for Jane, it'll work for you too. You can find a reliable tradesman on our website and on the mobile app to make life even easier. Using Honest Abe, you can be assured that finding a reliable tradesman in your area got a lot easier. Visit Honest Abe today at www.honestabe.mobi.